Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my FabFitFun Summer 2024 box. I get 2 annual boxes. This is my second one. I think I've got a mystery bundle in here, so let's get into it and check it out. If you are new to FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. It is $69.99 if you sign up seasonally. It is $219.99 if you pay up front as an annual. As both a seasonal or an annual, you will customize your entire box. I am a FabFitFun partner, so I have links down below. You will get 20% off your first box if you sign up as a seasonal. If you sign up as an annual, you will get a gift box valued at over $200. This is my second annual box. So I had my partner box, my box, what I consider my box of first choices. And this is, I should say, what I used to consider my box of second choices. Now, to make both boxes more interesting when I'm showing them to you guys, I kind of jumble it up. So there's kind of some of my first choices in my first box and this second box. When we open it up, this is what it looks like. We've seen this in my other boxes and it says, here comes the sun. And these are all my choices. All right, I've laid it out, customization choices 1 through 6. I forgot about a couple of the choices I made here. This is the paperwork that we got. We have our Home Fresh. We always get a coupon for them. This is 16 free meals. I'll do it like that in case somebody would like to use that coupon. You can always just pause the screen and copy down the number. I think it's probably one-time use, so first come, first serve. And then we get this, instead of the book that we used to get, we get the Winnebago Veneta Jody Hobo Bag. You scratch this to find out if you're a winner. And on the back, you can simply use your phone or your iPad, or whatever you have, to do the QR code that will tell you about all the summer products. I won't go into a lot of detail because we did all of those spoilers, so we know a lot about this stuff already. Let's jump in. Customization 1. I chose the vacation fragrance. I kind of wanted to smell it. My daughter kind of wanted to smell it, so I thought, you know what? One of us will like it. The odds that both of us will like it, pretty small because we lean different ways in fragrance. But knowing that she kind of wanted to try it too, I figured it would be perfect for one of us. I took the plastic overwrap off, and that is what the box looks like. Oh, it slides. Very classy. Oh, it's even right side up. I figured even odds it was upside down. That is what it looks like. Ooh, ah. When we take it out, it's just a pretty clear bottle with their little gold label. And I'm gonna go ahead and play the odds that this won't go horribly on me, and we'll give it a scent. Sniff. It will give scent. We will give sniff. Oh, it's gonna be a good day for taping. This is the first one I'm taping of several. Oh, well, I hope I like it. That was a lot. I'm going like this. Oh, that's nice. I'm going like this because I do keep getting reminded by you guys that when I rub it together, I'm crushing the scent. This is very interesting. I like it. I could see that it might be a really neat summer scent. I will give it to my daughter and let her decide if she likes it also. But if she doesn't love it, it is a scent that I might think I would use. They said that it had, what? I should get out. Hold on. Let me get out my iPad. And I will tell you, because they used really unusual wording to tell us what it was going to smell like. The top notes are petitgrain essence, coconut water, and coconut milk. The heart notes are bergamot, solar musk, banana, and pineapple. I think it's 0% fruity. I get none of the fruit. And the base notes are pool water, swimsuit lycra, and sea salt. So when you combine all those things together, you get this, which is a really interesting, and I'll say maybe even a scent I would wear, but I don't think any of those notes take me here. But it smells good. So that was my choice in customization 1, and it has a $60 value. So right away, I've paid for the cost of my box. In customization or choice 2, in this box, I went with the Amica. You guys know, and I'm going to show it in a unboxing that I do in a little bit that's just a mass unboxing. I use Vegamore. It has made, this is my hair day 2. You guys know I always talk about how I hate my hair day 2. It is so flat. It's already looking oily, and this is early in the morning. By evening, I'll probably be pulling it up in a little bit. I even brought up a thing knowing I probably would. Anyway, I think even when you have something you love, like I do the Vegamore, it has changed my hair. I think mostly the serum. I don't know how much the shampoo and the conditioner have made the difference because I was already using the serum when I added the shampoo and conditioner, but I like to think it's the combination. But regardless of how much you like your shampoo and conditioner, sometimes your hair just gets tired of it and it needs a change up for a couple of washings, and then you can go back to what you love and you will probably love it more. So this is the Mirror Ball High Shine and Protect Antioxidant Shampoo and Conditioner. This is what they look like. They're bright pink. They're coming across a little less pink up there. And the other reason I picked it up is they said that it was good for fine to medium hair, and I have super fine hair. Even though it's breaking much less than it was and it's not falling out, I'm not shedding as much as I was, the actual hair, my hair is very, very fine. And these had a $52 value. So again, if you're a seasonal, these almost pay for the cost of your box. And they work with such fun brands. Like we've already had Vacation and Amika this season. This is the Beach Riot. I did not have a third product in this choice that I was necessarily yearning for. And my daughter was like, hey, if you're not picking anything up in 3, I wouldn't mind the Travel Duo set. So I picked this up for her. I'm gonna show it to you guys. It looks, I think it's a little bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I mentioned the other day when I was unboxing something that she travels a lot, so this made sense that she would like this. These are so cute, and it has a handle. The side feels kind of like a cross between terry and I want to say corduroy, and then it's got the plastic so you can see through it, TSA can see through it, whoever needs to see through it. The top one opens completely, and you have the second one, which is why it is a duo, and that one just opens at the top. These are super cute and would be really cute for traveling. I love that pink. Isn't that pink just adorable? I also didn't remember it had a handle. They tell you that they said that this set had a $40 value. I have to tell you, this is one of those things, I'm gonna tell you honest and upfront, I would not walk into a store, see this for $40 and purchase it. 0% chance. Am I happy to have it in a FabFitFun box? Is it adorable? Does it feel really nice? Absolutely. Would I walk into a store and spend $40 on that? 0% chance. Okay, choice number 4. We have the, FabFitFun's gonna love me. We have the Sheer Strength Thrive Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Tint. I love the Thrive Cosmetics brand. They are my favorite. The lash extensions are my favorite, is my favorite mascara. This came in 2 colors. I went with Cara, which was the pink. The other one was a peachy color. Here, let me tell you what it was. The other was Melissa, and they said that was a warm sienna. They said this was a muted rose. I'm gonna struggle holding that. That is what it looks like, very much. All of their component packaging looks very much the same. So this just looks like a tiny mascara, and this had a $26 value. I like that a lot here. I have a very red lipstick on, but it's got no shine, so let's put this over it and see what we get. We definitely get, ooh. What does that taste? I think it tastes good. When I started putting it on, it feels almost kind of fruity. Oh, that's very nice. I'm going to like that a lot. I'll have to see how much color I get with it when I don't have a bright red lipstick on. Very happy. Oh, it feels very nice. I like that a lot, but I knew that I would because I really enjoy Thrive Cosmetics. My next choice may be one of the most unusual choices that I've made in a FabFitFun box, but I'm really happy to have it. This is the Nano Hydroxy Apatite Toothpaste that people are saying really good things about. So I was anxious to try this, and actually I probably only have a couple days left on my toothpaste before I switch, so this was perfect timing. And the tongue scraper. I am a too recent for my age convert to flossing every day, and I've gotten to the point where if I don't floss, I can't move on with my day. I just can't. And I was telling that story when we were doing spoilers, and somebody said, wait till you use the tongue scraper. You're gonna feel the same way. So it's like, I hope I do. I had braces as a teenager, and because of that, I became very fixated on oral hygiene, because I think you're actually the type of person that gets cavities or you're not. And luckily I didn't get any around any of my bracings, but I do lean toward cavities, and I brush my teeth a lot and for a very long time. I use my Sonicare. I have it set to go as long as it can. I still get cavities. That is what that looks like. So I guess I'm gonna read about it. I don't know if there's an upside or a downside, if they're all the same, but I'm gonna try it out. It doesn't feel, it just feels like bent metal. It doesn't feel, I mean, I guess you wouldn't want anything sharp, but I think I kind of expected that one of the edges would feel scrapey. We'll see what it says. It implies it doesn't matter which side you use. It says that tongue cleaning has been the foundation of Ayurvedic medicine since ancient times. Modern science has confirmed that the majority of bacteria responsible for bad breath, 80 to 90%, resides on the tongue. We hope we didn't ruin your next kiss. We're here to help. Our curved steel design is gentle and effective. It says use it once a day. Okay. And the only thing that could go wrong with this for me, there was a phase where everybody was like, baking soda is the best, and that's what you should use to brush your teeth. And there were all the baking soda, there probably still are, all the baking soda toothpastes. I can't stand that salty taste in my mouth. I can't bear up under it. Ooh, this smells really good. I'm gonna try gently to get just a little bit out. But if you can see that here, how we can do it. Maybe that way. It's just kind of like slightly whitish. Can you see it on my finger? There we go. Minty. Very nice. Yep. I will definitely brush my teeth with that, and I feel like the mint would help with like bad breath. You know, some of them, I have tried toothpaste that have been nice fancy flavors that I've been like, is this really helping my breath? Our toothpaste is safe to swallow too. For best results, don't rinse so that the paste has maximum contact with the enamel. Okay. Very interesting. Most unusual choice probably I've ever made in a FabFitFun box, and yet no regrets. Oh, the value on that was $20. So very reasonable, yay. So if I like this, it won't break the bank. And for my customization 6, my last choice in this one, I chose the Blink Mascara. I'm all about tubing mascaras. I love the way they come off, that they don't leave me with the raccoon eyes underneath. I'm not certain if I have tried the Blink. This packaging doesn't look familiar to me. It is the Lash Extension Tubing Mascara. Lash Extension. Wow. Isn't that even the name of my Thrive one? Lash Extension. I think it is. Okay, well now I'm questioning everything. That is what it looks like. It's just a nice plain brown wrapper. Let's see what the brush looks like, because that matters very much to me. Ooh, I like it. It's just tiny little plastic nubblies. That is exactly what I want a mascara wand to look like. I will switch right over to this, and we will talk soon about what my favorite tubing mascaras are. The value on that was, let's say $28. That's my guess. What's your guess? I'm looking it up. 26. So close. And how many times do you figure that I said that when we were doing spoilers? Couple, right? And the last thing that I do in this box is a mystery bundle. This is a tiny mystery bundle. Let's just start with this so you'll know why I'm giggling right away. I have a travel set. If you guys watched my other unboxings, I'll link them here in my add-ons and mystery bundle. In that mystery bundle, which was a good mystery bundle, I got a travel set. This one actually looks more like me. The other one was bigger, and I kind of like that this is a smaller one. This is by Lux and Willow. I think I've used their beauty blenders before. I like the look of this one a lot. I will probably set this one aside for me. I like, if you're averse, triggered by weird sounds, put your fingers in your ears and go la la la. It's made out of that kind of material, you know, that kind of nylon-y, fabric-y. You're safe to come back. Nylon-y, fabric-y feel between this for me, this for my daughter. And I had forgotten she wanted these, and the other one of these I had said, oh, I'll set that aside. My daughter will like it. We are ready to travel, which is good. We may or may not have a trip coming up to the Mal's house. Scrunchies. 'Tis the season. Fa la 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 la. I put these on and wander around the house. Then after a while, from being up in a ponytail, my hair starts to annoy me, and I take them out, and I don't know what happens to them. I keep a pretty tidy house, a place for everything and everything in its place. The ordered house helps order my brain. So I don't know where they could get to, but they do get away. These are Summer in Rose, a 3-pack of scrunchies. We have a coral, a floral, and a green. This floral, if you watched me do, I think the same one as the other travel set, maybe. I got a new basket that's kind of like a laundry basket thing. If you sat next to this with this in your hair, you would look fantastic. The tip of my tongue from this, I don't know if numb is the word that I would use. I I'll be looking more into the ingredients of this, but I have an unusual feeling at the tip of my tongue where I put that. Just saying. These are the silky ones, which because I have such thin, fragile, breaky hair, I really enjoy these better because they're less likely to pull my hair or to break my hair when I take them out. One last thing. I have Tula. This is the Ageless Skincare, Prime of Your Life Smoothing and Firming Treatment Primer. That is what that looks like. I will take a second here and read the ingredients. If you guys watch the channel, you know that Tula quite often has licorice root in it, and I am allergic to licorice root. I don't see anything in here I technically can't use. This is what that looks like. I will say at the end of this is a list of ingredients. Can you guys see? I don't know if I can get you that. This whole thing, this is a list of ingredients. I mean, it is big. Technically, there's nothing in it I can't use except for at the very, very bottom of that huge list, which means there's just the tiniest amount. There is both lactic and glycolic acid, so I think I will tuck this back in its box and tuck it away for a giveaway. So the little mystery bundle, I'm sure this more than covered the cost of what they say it will be. Had this, the 3 little scrunchies, and the travel set. So it's good that I like this travel set, and I think it's perfect for me, and that who can't always use more scrunchies? Me, the girls, somebody around here is always wanting to pull their hair up, very much like I am right at this moment. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. This was I always want to say second annual, but that makes it sound like my second year. This was my annual box of the second variety. How would you say that? I have 2 annual boxes. This was my second. That's better, right? I had 1 item in each category. I am thrilled with it. Oh, that perfume really, I like that. Very nice. So I have everything from perfume to toothpaste. I have shampoo, the travel things, the lippy, the blank. It was a great box. I had no problem putting together all 3 of my boxes this season. Some seasons, extra boxes can be a little more difficult. This season, since I've added the partner box even, it was absolutely easy peasy. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you spending all of your FabFitFun time with me. I do have a couple of drop ship items still coming from the add-on sale. Sometimes when you purchase in the add-on sale, and it always tells you, you will have drop ship items, and those items come directly from, I think probably the warehouse of whatever company is selling the item to FabFitFun. They're kind of a third party. I don't know how you would say that. It doesn't come from FabFitFun. And those items can sometimes take a week or 2 longer to get to you. I think I still have 2 things, definitely 1. Thank you again for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I will put my links down below for percentages off and free gifts. And I will see you again really soon, I hope. Take care, guys.